Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. If you've just discovered this amazing community, you are welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how I got my nails done. So the nail technician used the nail dissolver, cuticles remover, gel polish. I'll be using hot red, the artificial nails glass, the acrylic liquid, the acrylic powder, and buffer, and of course the nail file. She started off by cleaning out my cuticles. She did this on both hands. She went ahead to file the nails. She explained that she did this so she would have a rough surface. That way, the nail glue will help the artificial nails stick to my nails better. Then she started fixing the artificial nails using a regular glue. She finished with the right hand and went to the left. At this point, she was done fixing the nails, and this is exactly what they looked like before she trimmed off to my desired length. I wanted a ballerina shape, and she did justice to giving me what I wanted. After getting the nails in shape, she started filing them to smoothen the surfaces, the edges, the sides, and the other parts of the nails. The next step was to fill up the nails using a mixture of the acrylic powder and the liquid. I must say this self-care is very therapeutic. She filled up the rest of the fingernails, and when she was done, she used the buffer to smoothing out the surface. She explained that this smoothing process is very important because if not properly done, the nail polish will have a very rough finishing and it won't look nice at all. Then with a cotton wool dipped in a nail dissolver, she used it to clean off the rough particles that had fallen out while she was filing and buffering the nails. Here is the result after the acrylic application, the filing and the buffing. Then she began the polish application. She was done with the first hand, then she let it dry in the hand dryer while she worked on the second hand. When the nails had dried up, she went ahead to do the final coating with a colorless polish. She let the nails dry for a few more seconds, and here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Please, if you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to share the link, and remember to please hit the subscribe button. And until I see you again in the next video, bye.